the netters. It's where we get the word nature from. Here we have a direct connection to the cosmos and to everything in our universe right when we go into nature.
How you evolve consciousness, the electrical conditions to enable the growth of consciousness. What it is electrically that creates consciousness.
Our sun vibrates like a giant pipe organ. But instead of air producing the notes, churning gases deep inside send sound waves rippling through its interior.
To enter the universe, all we had to do is enter a forest wilderness.
Bill Tiller measured focused attention, consciousness, causes electrical compression.